Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Chrysler 300 without key. Start by checking for unlocked doors, then inspect the trunk access and interior through a window. If windows are sealed, use a wedge and long reach tool carefully to press the unlock button or pull the handle. Stay calm, work slowly to avoid breaking glass, and stop immediately if resistance feels abnormal or parts bend. Prepare by collecting a plastic wedge, a long reach tool, and a flashlight so you can work safely. Position the wedge at the top corner of the door to create a small gap without forcing metal or glass. Move slowly and protect paint by using soft materials where tools contact the car. Keep the long reach tool angled to press the unlock button or pull the handle while watching through the gap created by the wedge. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, flashlight control, and step reminders while you work on the car, and it fits neatly on a nearby table. I've found voice prompts keep my hands free and focused. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If interior methods fail, check for trunk access or fold-down seat release points that let you reach the cabin. Use jumper tools only if you understand vehicle electronics to avoid airbag or alarm triggers. When in doubt, contact a professional locksmith or roadside assistance for non-invasive entry. Professionals can often open the car quickly with minimal wear, preserving your door seals, locks, and electronics without unnecessary repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.